Hi guys, welcome to Vajiha Creative Corner. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your PDF, edit it, and how to download it. There is a worksheet or any document. We will upload our PDF. We will click on this button and we will choose our file from the document. I will select the file. So our file is importing. We will just drag it. You will see your PDF file in your recent designs. So I will just click on it and it will open, so you can download and edit it. So as you can see, our PDF file has been uploaded and there are some text and pictures, so you can edit the text or delete the text. I will just edit the text here, just for example. Now you can delete the pictures from your PDF file. So just select the picture and delete it, and you can also delete your text by just selecting the text here. Now if you download your PDF, just go to the share button, select the download button and choose the file type PDF standard, so best for document and emailing. So I will choose this one. Now just download your document in PDF standard format. If you found this tutorial helpful, please tell me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.